you're a new or aspiring entrepreneur in South Africa and you are looking for tips or information about how to start an online business in South Africa, then you are in the right place. I started this community after struggling for a very long time, trying to launch my business, which is my clothing business, Royal Flair Clothing. And I just wasted a lot of money through trial and error, paying people for things that I could have done myself, but I didn't know at the time. And I also just wasted money on platforms that were just not right for what I was trying to do with that business. Honestly, it was all just a mess. I got so tired of all of it, and I just felt so frustrated that I just thought of giving up and going back to work, which I did, right? I went back to work because I just felt like maybe I was wrong about this. Maybe this is just going to be a waste of money and time. But that was just because I didn't have the right information, and there was just a huge lack of information like this and tips and tutorials for South African entrepreneurs. So that is why I started this community, to help entrepreneurs like me back then, to kind of navigate through starting their online business, whether you want to sell through your own website or you want to sell on a marketplace like Takealot or Zando. This platform is here for you. The Startup Space is a platform meant to help new entrepreneurs start online businesses. Whether it's a business that you are running through your own website or a business that you want to run through a marketplace or both, this platform is meant to give you information, tutorials, and tips on how to do that, how to start, how to grow your business, how to run your business in the best way possible, in the way that will ensure growth for your business. If that is information that you are interested in, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button right under this video, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you do not miss a video. And if at any point you have any question, please feel free to either leave a comment in one of the videos that you come across, or you are welcome to send me a message through Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. Whichever platform that you use, you can find the Startup Space on any of those platforms, and feel free to send me a message or comment on a video, and I always make sure I answer my comments and my messages. So please feel free to speak to me and ask whatever questions you have. And if you need more one-on-one help, I do offer one-on-one consultations. There is a link in the description that you can click to go and book a one-on-one consultation on my website.